The first ingredient in any great dish is preparation. I'm getting my mise en place set for what I'll serve at Cleveland Eats.
I'm preparing for an exciting career. To do my best, I gotta be ready.
I'm ready to showcase my food and restaurant at Cleveland Eats.
I'm ready to assist Cleveland's top chefs at Cleveland Eats.
But are you ready? Well, get ready for Cleveland Eats.
It's happening Saturday, September 15th, right here on Mall B in downtown Cleveland.
Get ready to sample dishes from 30 of Cleveland's top chef-driven restaurants.
Great food goes better with live music, and I'm ready to jam.
And get ready for live cooking demos to show you how to make the best dishes you'll ever taste.
Speaking of taste, who's ready to taste some amazing craft beers? I'm ready.
Our unique marketplace will feature Cleveland-based vendors who are ready to showcase a variety of great local products.
Prepare to have fun with the whole family.
So get ready for Cleveland Eats, the culinary event of the year.
We'll have everything you need. Great food, craft beverages, excellent music, fun activities, and a beautiful setting. So buy your tickets today.
Cleveland Eats is hosted by Cuyahoga Community College.
And it benefits Tri-Cities Hospitality Management Program and our students.
Don't forget, join us on Mall B in downtown Cleveland, Saturday, September 15th.
We'll save you a plate.
We're ready! Cleveland Eats!